This is a quick analysis of The Farmer's Bride by Charlotte Mew. In this video you will see some of the techniques used and you will see how you might write about them using quotes and technical terminology. We're going to look at the form of the poem. It's a dramatic monologue. It shows the farmer's perspective and has his voice. The poem takes the form of a dramatic monologue, told through the farmer's perspective. It has his distinct voice, with words like "twasn't" and "runned", to give the character authenticity and context. There is dialogue in the poem, which shows a community just like the farmer. This creates claustrophobia, and it isolates the wife because she is different to them. The use of dialogue shows a community of people who speak and think like the farmer. This creates a claustrophobic tone. The simile, "we chased her flying like a hare," elucidates the image of a homogeneous pack chasing after a helpless victim. Homogeneous meaning all the same. We have rhyme in the poem. There is lots of it, but the rhyme scheme is irregular. There is an AABBB, as we can see here. Elsewhere there is ABAB, ABBA, and other variations. This shows that something is not quite right. There is rhyme throughout the poem, which gives the narrative a song-like quality and suggests order. The farmer does not understand why he cannot get close to his wife. However, the irregularity of the rhyme reflects his misunderstanding of her needs and shows how there is disharmony in the house. There are similes here, and they show that the wife is wild and she is at one with nature. The listing of similes in the fourth stanza paints a picture of a wild and natural spirit. The farmer is fascinated by his wife, and yet the caesura, followed by the question, "But what to me?" is evidence that he is simply not on the same level as her, and will never be the recipient of her love. The caesura comes with the full stop, which makes a pause in the middle of the line. There is pathetic fallacy here. The drawing in of winter reflects the farmer's mood. Christmas should be joyous, but is not. The drawing in of winter reflects the farmer's mood. The pathetic fallacy of a low grey sky shows his sadness, and the polyptoton in short days shorten creates urgency. The loneliness of Christmas without children, or some other in the house, creates a tragic tone and draws some sympathy from the reader, who wishes the farmer had tried harder at the beginning of the relationship. Polyptoton is when the same word is used again in a different form, as in short and shorten. Let's look at the punctuation here. The exclamation marks add desperation and regret. The poet uses 3 exclamation marks in the final stanza to leave the poem with a feeling of desperation and regret. The farmer is clearly besotted with his wife, but cannot breach the stair that is betwixt them. He must remain alone and dissatisfied forever. If you are interested in personalised tuition for AQA English Language or Literature, please visit the website shown on screen. And thank you for watching.